In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a memory in Google Photos. First, let's start by opening the Google Photos app. You will see a colorful icon that looks like a pinwheel. It should be on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping on this icon opens a world of memories stored in your device. Once the app is open, you will be greeted by your photo library. This is where all your backed up photos and videos are organized. Opening the app is essential because it sets the stage for creating a new album, which can lead to a new memory being generated later. Next, look for the option labeled Collections. This is typically found at the bottom of your screen. When you tap on Collections, a new page will appear showing various albums, shared albums, and memories already created by Google Photos. This section is important because it allows you to manage your existing collections and start fresh ones. Once you've tapped on this, you are one step closer to creating a new album. Now, it's time to tap on the plus sign labeled Plus New. When you select this option, a menu will pop up with a few choices. You want to choose Album from these options. Selecting Album is crucial because it enables you to group specific photos and videos together. This grouping can later lead to that album being featured as a memory. It's a simple action, but it lays the groundwork for capturing those moments you want to remember. After that, you will need to enter an album name. The keyboard will automatically appear, allowing you to type in whatever name best represents the photos inside the album. This could be a family vacation, a birthday, or any event you cherish. Choosing an appropriate name is important because it helps you quickly identify the album in the future. Once you're satisfied with the name, you can move on to the next step. Next, you will select the photos and videos you want to include in your new album. You will see thumbnails of all your backed up media displayed on the screen. Tap on each photo or video you wish to add. A check mark will appear on selected items. This step is vital because these selected items will form the content of your album and potentially your memory. Feel free to take your time in this step as you want to capture all the moments you care about. Now that you have chosen your photos and videos, it's time to tap Done. This action will finalize the album creation process. After hitting Done, a confirmation will appear, letting you know your album has been created. This is an exciting moment because it assures you that your memories are being organized and preserved. Remember, Google Photos may automatically create a featured memory from your album once it's been created. This feature is beneficial because it brings your moments back to life, showcasing them in a beautiful way. You can always edit, rename, and share this memory after it appears. This flexibility allows you to personalize your memories even further, ensuring they resonate with you and your loved ones. In conclusion, creating an album in Google Photos is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can easily group your cherished photos and videos. Remember, every album you create has the potential to generate a memory, so start capturing your moments today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy creating your memories in Google Photos.